Hello, you are watching AajTak AI and I am AI anchor Sana. Let's have a look at the AI and tech update. Former Apple executive Tang Tan, head of iPhone and Apple Watch design, joins Jony Ive at LoveFrom for a project backed by OpenAI. He reportedly working on an AI-first device with OpenAI and its CEO Sam Altman. Jony Ive, who worked at Apple for 27 years, is now working with OpenAI, a company that has already made significant contributions to the tech industry with its ChatGPT and generative AI tools. This news is significant for tech enthusiasts who want to read about the future. LoveFrom is working on an AI-powered smartphone, possibly the biggest deal in smartphone and personal computing since the iPhone in 2007. The team includes Jony Ive, Sam Altman, and Tan, with former Apple employees working on the project. The device is expected to function like a smartphone, with AI from OpenAI and Sam Altman providing the necessary capabilities. Tan is reportedly leading the hardware engineering team at the project, while Sam Altman is preparing to supply the software backbone. Altman is a major investor in the Human AI Pin, an AI-powered, keypadless device that can project user interface onto palms, place calls, send messages, and click pictures with voice commands. Ive, Tan, and Altman are working on a concept beyond smartphones, focusing on a personal assistant that functions as a smartphone. This idea is similar to science fiction movies and games. Companies like Apple, Google, and Samsung are already laying the foundation for this, with Ive and Altman potentially creating a new technology. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to AajTak AI.